Hello and welcome back to Flourish Academy. In today's tutorial, we're going to be looking at introduction to UI design using Thunkable. All right, so Thunkable is the UI design platform that we're going to be using to, build our web mobile apps. All right, let's get into the outline for today's course. All right, so it's going to be introduction to Thunkable. I'm going to be telling you what Thunkable really is. I'm going to be showing you the platform, and the next thing is the prerequisite. That is to say, who is this course? Who is this tutorial for? All right, so basically, it is for kids or people that have a block-based programming experience in probably Scratch or Blockly. Yeah, so this course is for you if you have those kind of experience. And then we're gonna be setting up our Thunkable account, and then I'll be showing you few projects that we're gonna be working on in the series. All right, now let's get started without further ado. But before we continue, please, I would like you to subscribe, like, you know, share this video so that you can reach out to a lot of people. Guys, stay blessed and let's continue. All right, so we're going to be moving to the Thunkable environment. This is how the Thunkable environment looks like. So it's thunkable.com. It's a lovely platform. You can go, you can actually read about the Thunkable platform. All right, so the first thing we want to do is to sign up or to tell you about the Thunkable platform. Now, the Thunkable platform is a no-code mobile app development platform. So what that means is that you only need to drag and drop to give your command in building your mobile apps. All right, so it's a no-code area. You don't have to necessarily write code. All right, so all you need to do is to understand the programming concept and then implement all of those things using your drag and drops, and that is why Thunkable is actually good for kids and even for beginners, and not just kids and beginners, even for UI UX designer that don't want to actually stress. You don't want to actually be involved in too much code. You can actually use Thunkable for that. All right, now let's get started by signing in to Thunkable. So we want to own an account first before we start developing. So what you need to do is, if you have a Gmail account already, all you need to do is just to log in with your Gmail account. Okay, just click on login. But if you don't have a Gmail account, you can always just sign up and fill the necessary information. As you can see, I already have a Gmail account. That's why it's showing me all of this. Okay, but for those that don't have a Gmail account, all you need to do is to sign up. So just click on login and select your Gmail account, and then it's going to take you to your um, to the Thunkable environment. All right, so let me just sign out this one so that I can show you how you sign in properly. All right, so my bad. Okay, yeah, this is it. So when you click on the login details, when you click on the login button, it is going to take you to this environment. As you can see, you have different options. You can sign in with your Google account, or sign in with your Apple, or with your email. So I normally use my Gmail account. All right, so click on sign in with Google, and then you select the Gmail account, and then it takes you to the environment. As you can see, I have actually created simple apps with that. I'm going to be showing you um, what we're going to be doing. So this is the environment. This is the Thunkable environment. So all you need to do is just to click on create a new app, because you want to create a new app, and then you give it a name. Uh, you could say my first app, my first mobile app, mobile app, and then the category of the app you're trying to create. For now, it's just going to be education, and maybe probably, well, let's stick to education for now. It depends on what you want to create, and then you just click on create, and then it simply takes you to the Thunkable environment. So isn't this lovely? This is the Thunkable environment. As you can see, we have the design area, and then we have the block area. So that the block area is meant to be the code area, but in this case, you're going to be using blocks. We're going to get to that in the series. Okay, but for now, I'm just introducing you to the environment. So this is like the show area in Scratch. Like this is say this is where you drag and drop your component. These are your components. You can see we have the button component, we have the label, image, and a lot of components right here. We're going to be exploring this in this series. This is the property area. As you can see, this is the screen property, and then we have all of this. All right, so in the series, we're going to be developing and designing mobile apps, and then we're going to be launching it on our iPads and then our Android apps, Android phones, just for us to have a feel of what we're going to be doing in this series. All right, so I'm just going to show you a simple app that I designed um, yesterday, and something you should expect in your app. Okay, so I'm going to go to the mobile views just for us, have a view of what it is. All right, so this is a mobile app created in just few minutes, and it's all about it's a translator, Flourishing Academic Translator. So what it does is asks for your username, and then you just type in a username. For now, we don't have any security because we're still creating. Okay? So you just type in something. Uh, okay, let's say I want to sign in without typing. Okay, it's telling me now username and password must be greater than 7. Sorry, it means 7 characters. Okay, I'm gonna fix that. Yeah, username and password must be. So that is to say, for you to the gateway for you to enter this app is just to type in a username and password that is greater than 7 characters. So I'm just gonna make sure that my username and password is more than 7 characters. Okay, and for now, my password is not blocked, so we're gonna fix that. Don't worry. But see, now you can see now that is being done. So it has given us access to the app, and then you can see we have, we want to translate from English to French, also to Spanish, and then to Mandarin. All right, let's check. For example, I want to say good morning in French. Good morning, and then I click on translate.
Bon matin.
Bon matin. Is that good morning in French? I don't know, but I think I'm correct. All right, let's check for Spanish also. Hello in Spanish.
Hola.
Oh, yeah, I think that's correct. And then maybe probably hello, how are you? Okay, all right, let's check that again.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Exactly. Now let's see for Mandarin for Chinese friends. Okay, let's see. Hello. Yeah.
你好.
Ni hao. Yeah, I think I know that. So now this is a translator that you can use in maybe probably in a foreign land, and then you want to communicate with someone. You could just type in whatever you want to say, and then play to the person. Yeah, so this is a simple app, and we're going to be looking at how we are going to design all of these. All of these are components combined together to come up with a mobile app. So these are the things that we're going to be looking at in the series. I hope you understand this. This is still an introduction. Please stay tuned for the next video. In the next video, we're going to be looking at introduction to all of these components, how to design and program these components. In our next video, we're going to be looking at that. So please feel free to like I said, subscribe, and share and let your friends know about this lovely channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay blessed and bye.